think your YouTube channel success depends only on amazing content? Maybe think again. What if the biggest roadblock to your channel's growth is actually you?
Yeah, it sounds a bit strange, doesn't it? But we're about to dive deep into something critical, something people often miss. It's how your own YouTube subscription habits, what you watch, can quietly sabotage your channel. You know, mess up your reach, confuse the algorithm.
Reduce your visibility, basically.
Exactly.
Right. And lots of YouTube gurus, they focus purely on content, SEO, thumbnails.
Sure, all important stuff.
But our mission today is kind of different. We want to pull back the curtain on these, let's call them invisible roadblocks, the ones you might be setting up without even realizing it. And, more importantly, give you some really specific, actionable steps to fix them. Let's get into it.
Okay, sounds good.
So let's start with something that seems harmless, right? Subscribing to a whole mix of random channels from your main creator account. We all do it. One minute you're researching competitors, the next you're watching, I don't know, cooking shows, political commentary, dance videos.
Uh-huh. And the problem there is how YouTube's algorithm tries to figure you out. It's designed to understand viewer profiles. So if your creator account watches gaming, then politics, then, say, celebrity gossip, you're essentially sending a really scattered signal.
Like telling YouTube my audience likes, well, everything.
Precisely. It just dilutes the algorithm's ability to figure out who your real specific audience is. It struggles to recommend your content effectively because your own activity is all over the place.
Okay, so it's not just about what you upload, it's what you consume on that account, too. It needs active curation.
Absolutely. Think of your subscription feed as a creative toolbox, maybe, not just your personal entertainment zone.
A toolbox, I like that.
Yeah.
So only subscribe to channels that genuinely fit your niche or directly spark ideas for your content.
Yeah, that's the idea. It keeps the signal clean for YouTube.
Which kind of leads perfectly into the next point, doesn't it? Using the exact same Google account for uploading and for all your personal watching.
Yes, the classic mix-up. You spend ages crafting a video, upload it, and then binge watch 3 hours of cat compilations on the same account.
Yeah. Guilty as charged sometimes. But what's the real harm algorithmically? Isn't activity good?
Activity's good, but relevant activity is better. Mixing them sends really conflicting signals. YouTube might start miscategorizing your videos, or worse, it might recommend totally irrelevant stuff to your viewers because it's trying to average out your personal tastes with your channel's topic.
Ah, okay. So it could actually push the wrong videos to the people who subscribe for your specific content.
Exactly. The fix is honestly super simple. Just create a separate Google account purely for your personal watching.
Yeah.
Keep your channel account focused, like a clean slate.
Keep it pure for the algorithm. Got it. Okay, now let's talk about something a bit trickier. The whole sub for sub thing.
Yeah. The temptation.
You see it everywhere, right?
Right.
Facebook groups, Telegram threads. Subscribe to me, I'll sub back. Sounds like easy growth, especially when you're new. Why is that such a bad idea?
Well, it comes down to real engagement versus vanity numbers. Sure, your subscriber count goes up, but these accounts, they almost never actually watch your videos.
They're just numbers on a page.
Exactly. And YouTube's algorithm cares deeply about watch time, audience retention, engagement metrics. If you have thousands of subs who never click play or click off after 10 seconds, that tells YouTube your content isn't engaging for those subscribers.
Which tanks your metrics.
Right. It signals to YouTube, hey, even this person's subscribers aren't interested, so why would it promote your videos in browse or suggested features? Your numbers look okay, but the channel's health is suffering silently.
So the fix is obvious, but maybe harder in practice. Focus on attracting viewers who genuinely care about your content. Quality over quantity.
Absolutely. A smaller engaged audience is way more valuable than a massive ghost army.
Okay, we've covered how these habits mess things up internally with the algorithm, but there's an external angle too, right? Something about public perception.
Yes, definitely. A lot of creators forget this or maybe don't realize. By default, your subscriptions can be public.
Meaning anyone can go to your channel page and see who you subscribe to.
Correct. Now, think about that from the perspective of, say, a potential brand sponsor or a collaborator, or even just a discerning viewer. If they look at your channel and see you're subscribed to 100 random, unrelated, or maybe even controversial channels, what impression does that give?
Not great. Kind of unprofessional, maybe. Or just confusing about what your channel is actually about. Dilutes your brand.
Exactly. It can damage trust before you even start a conversation. They might hesitate to work with you. It's like judging a book by its cover, but, for channels.
And the fix for this one is probably the easiest of the lot.
Oh, absolutely. It takes like 30 seconds. Go into your YouTube settings, find the privacy section, and just check the box that says, keep all my subscriptions private. Done. Instant brand hygiene.
Simple. Okay, let's wrap this up. So what's the big takeaway here?
Well, these habits, messy subscriptions, mixing personal and channel accounts, chasing fake subs, leaving subs public, they aren't just minor details. They actively confuse the algorithm, can attract the wrong kind of subscribers, or none at all, engagement-wise, dilute your brand's identity.
And ultimately hold back your channel's growth by hurting engagement and retention metrics.
Precisely.
So the final thought for everyone listening is this. Have you unknowingly made any of these mistakes? It's worth taking a few minutes, really. Go check your own YouTube habits, because the path to real impactful channel growth, it might just start with a quick look at your subscriptions and maybe a simple click in your privacy settings.